Justin, what was one really surprising result that you got from a client?
We were working with a large university system. Can't say who. Well, maybe I can, but they're in Georgia. And I recall us having conversations with them around, paid search, the geofencing, just everything. We started doing over-the-top connected TV advertising that's serving ads on streaming devices. We started doing that for them initially, but there was another agency incumbent. And, we were looking at their cost per leads, and they were decent. They're like, 15, 20 bucks, really not, actually pretty good for, undergraduate institution. But I just felt like we could do better. And, as we continued down that path, we started working with them on, like putting together a campaign, particularly on the paid search and paid social side of the house, in addition to the other stuff that we were doing. Long story, we were able to get their cost per leads all the way down to $4.
Whoa.
And so when I say like $4, I really mean like a lead that entered in their first name, last name, email address, was costing the clients, $4 to $5 tops, from a cost per lead perspective. And I wasn't expecting that. I really wasn't. I mean, I assumed that we were going to get it lower, but not that low. And you never want to rest on your laurels like, oh, we're at 4, so all right, it's nothing you can do. I don't suggest like, oh, we're at 4, so let's change everything to make it better. No, if it's good, maintain. But I was really surprised, not that we couldn't deliver, but that it got as low as it did for this large university in Georgia. And so we do a lot of work in the education space, other areas too, like retail and healthcare, but we were really surprised by that, and I was just completely floored. We still work with them, obviously.
Yeah, I mean...
Thanks for watching Mark's Propellant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark's Propellant Media. Peace.